Let's cut the fluff. Yes, you can literally train your brain to crave studying just like it craves scrolling on social media. Sound impossible? It's not. It all starts with understanding your brain's reward system. Why can you scroll for 3 hours without blinking but struggle to focus for 15 minutes on a book? One word: dopamine, your brain's pleasure chemical. Every swipe, every new video, every tiny thrill gives you a dopamine hit. Meanwhile, studying? Slow, effortful, and the reward feels distant. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Reset your dopamine baseline. Right now, your brain is overstimulated. Only flashy content feels good. To change that, start a mini dopamine detox. Spend 15 minutes a day with zero stimulation. No phone, no music, just stillness. It will feel boring, maybe even painful, but that's your brain healing. And within a week, you'll start enjoying quiet, focus, even simplicity again. Step 2. Make studying stimulating. Gamify it, reward it, make it visual. Break your work into chunks. After each one, a tiny win, a check mark, a gold star. That's dopamine. Use the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes focus, 5 minutes break. Teach what you learn, out loud. Use colorful pens, let your senses be part of the process. Your brain loves meaning, so give it meaning. Studying economics? Think about why gas prices went up. Learning biology? Connect it to your workouts. The more real it feels, the more your brain wants it. And remember, study with intention, not obligation. You're not just cramming for grades, you're feeding your brain's natural hunger for understanding. I've seen people reach for their books during free time, not because they're geniuses, but because they rewired their brain. Start today. 15 minutes of no stim. Tomorrow, 1 Pomodoro session. Do that for 2 weeks. You'll feel the shift. Do it for a month, and you might just fall in love with learning. Your brain isn't broken. It's just been hijacked. Take back control of your dopamine and take back control of your future. Subscribe for more motivational content. Let's grow together.